As a volunteer board member, regardless of the type of nonprofit, it's necessary to take steps to reduce any potential loss or damage that could incur. So whether you're just joining a board or you are a longtime board member, we hope that you'll learn something new today. Welcome. Today we're going to talk about accident medical insurance, or as it's sometimes referred to as AD&D insurance. And to shed some light on this, we have Carrie McDonald from RV Nucio and Associates with us. Carrie, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
I'm glad you're here because I don't know a lot about this type of policy, and I'm hoping that you can educate me around what accident medical insurance is in relation to a parent group and why my group might be interested in having this kind of coverage.
Well, accident medical coverage, it enhances a general liability policy. So with a general liability policy, there has to be a third party that is injured, right?
Okay.
And the group has to be negligent for that policy to pay the claim.
Okay.
With accident medical coverage, that coverage, there's no blame, there's no negligence involved. It's just coverage to protect people that may not have insurance or they don't want to use their insurance and they have gotten injured at an activity or an event. So it's just supplemental to a general liability policy so that the group can offer coverage to somebody that's been injured at the event and not worry about having to be threatened with a lawsuit. And it works quite well. It's very broad in coverage, and sometimes things happen, like a child falls down, breaks a tooth. That's really a common one. And the parents usually don't have dental insurance for children. And so the policy will pay to have the tooth, fixed by a dentist. So it's a no-fault policy, basically. So it can be bought with different limits, and then those limits will apply per person. A lot of school districts buy it as well. So oftentimes a group should check to see if the school district has one in place instead of having to purchase it for themselves. And then it's a minimal cost typically. So if they want to buy it, then it's just an extra layer of coverage to protect themselves with.
So if my school district has it and I'm at an event and I'm injured at an event that is being hosted by my parent group, does the school district's policy possibly cover me then?
It possibly can, but it usually will, with the school district, they buy it for the children attending, not necessarily the parents.
Oh, good distinction. Okay, that's important to know. It sounds like, given the nature of parent groups and the number of and types of events that they have and activities, that this is probably a really important one to cover those kids when they're participating in one of these activities.
Yes, absolutely.
Excellent. Thank you for sharing that information today, Carrie. I appreciate it. And thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.